Welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are looking on Olympiad problem. Square root of 1 by x minus 1 by x cube plus square root of 1 by x square minus x cube is equal to 1. So as you are going to solve this logical, critical and typical problem, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 1000 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So how to solve this problem? So here given 1 by x minus 1 by x cube plus square root of 1 by x square minus 1 by x cube is equal to 1. Now if you take the LCM, here x cube whole to the power of x square minus 1 square root plus square root of x cube whole to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 1. This can be written as square root of x square minus 1 plus square root of x minus 1 is equal to x to the power of 3 by 2. The denominator we are taking to that side. Now if you do squaring on both sides, so here a square x square plus 1 plus b square x minus 1 plus 2 root of x square minus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to x cube. Now here if you send all this term to that side, 2 root of x square minus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to x cube minus x square minus x plus 2. So here x minus 1. So here you are getting the value like this. Now here we are doing some adjustment. So here x square common, x minus 1 minus 1 common, x minus 1. Now here I am writing square root of x square minus 1 into x minus 1 minus 1. So here you will get only minus 1 here product, but 2 is there. That one we are sending to this side. Now here you will get this value can be written as 2 into x minus 1 into root of x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to x square minus 1 into x minus 1. So this can be written as, if you send all the terms to that side, so here x plus 1 into x minus 1 whole square, this can be written as x plus 1 into x minus 1 whole square minus, sending this term to that side, 2 root of x plus 1 into x minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic in this value, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here what will get, x minus 1 into x minus 1 into square root of x plus 1 minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. So this can be written as x minus 1 into root of x plus 1 is equal to minus 1 equal to 0. X minus 1 into square root of x plus 1 equal to 1, squaring on both sides, x minus 1 whole square into x plus 1 equal to 1. So this can be written as x square minus 2x plus 1 into x plus x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 1. Now this can be written as x cube minus 2x square plus x square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 1. Now x cube minus x square minus x equal to 0, x into x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0, x not equal to 0, x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 plus or minus root 5 by 2. X value is greater than 0. Therefore, the only solution is x equal to root 5 plus 1 by 2. I hope this information is valuable for you. If you think so, please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the channel to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.